Good day. Today we will be talking about problem-based learning. Problem-based learning was pioneered by Howard Burroughs and Robin Tamblyn at the medical program at McMaster University in the 1960s. The problem-based curriculum was developed in order to stimulate learning by allowing the students to see the relevance and application to future roles. It maintains higher level of motivation towards learning and shows the importance of responsible, professional attitudes towards teamwork values. What is problem-based learning? It is a teaching method in which complex real-world problems are used as a vehicle to promote student learning of concepts and principles as opposed to direct presentation of facts and concepts. Problem-based learning can promote the development of critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and communication skills. It can also provide opportunities for working in groups, finding and evaluating research materials, and lifelong learning. Characteristics of problem-based learning approach. Authentic experiences are encouraged to increase motivation and personal relevance. Problem-based learning is also learner-centered and intrinsically motivating. It is collaborative and challenging. Demonstration of learning is used using a variety of techniques that are promoted such as posters, drama, models, simulations, and multimedia presentations. The three main components of problem-based learning are fact-finding, idea-finding, and solution-finding. Fact-finding. The students read the situation and attempt to identify the problems. In fact-finding, the teachers present a situation that has different problems embedded within but not explicitly stated. The students read the situation and attempt to identify the problems. After identifying the problems, the student will have a discussion and decide on one particular problem to solve. The group begins to find facts that give them some insights to the problem. Idea finding. The students discuss and expand on them. The group brainstorms possible solutions and the teacher or a student representative records the ideas. Students discuss these ideas and expand on them. At this point, the teacher can ask critical thinking questions that lead the students to analyze the situation and possible solutions. Solution finding. The students make final decisions and collect information that will help them solve the problem. The group should discuss the merits of pursuing each of the different solutions presented in the brainstorming session. The group makes a final decision and the students begin to collect information that will help them solve the problem they identified.
Considerations for using problem-based learning. These are the following considerations. First, examine and define the problem. Second, explore what they already know about underlying issues related to it. Third, determine what they need to learn and where they can acquire the information and tools necessary to solve the problem. Fourth, evaluate possible ways to solve the problem. And lastly, report on their findings. Role of teachers in problem-based learning. Determine a problem aligned with the course and students. The problem needs to be demanding enough that the students most likely cannot solve it on their own. It also needs to teach them new skills. Place students in groups, well mixed in diversity and skill levels, to strengthen the groups. One way is to have the students take on various roles in the group process after they self-assess their strengths and weaknesses. Support the students with understanding the content on a deeper level and in ways to best orchestrate the various stages of the problem-solving process. Benefits of problem-based learning. The benefits are not only limited to the students. It has also benefits for the teachers and institutions. The problem-based learning is a student-centered approach. It enables or encourages the students for greater understanding. The problem-based learning experience rates the student's abilities higher and develops lifelong learning skills. For the benefit of the teachers, it increases class attendance and affords more intrinsic reward. Teachers using problem-based learning encourages students to spend more time studying and promotes interdisciplinary. The institution will make students' learning a priority with the implementation of problem-based learning, aids student retention, and may serve as evidence that an institution values teaching.